Hi guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how I make my own DIY red flaxseed gel, as you can see. Yeah, so stay tuned and watch the rest of the video. So guys, we're back again. So first thing I did was boil the water in the pot, obviously, and I just let the water come to a boil. And then I wanted something different, so I added some hibiscus leaves into the water and I let that boil for a little bit. And while it was boiling, I measured out my flaxseed. I used about 32 grams of flax seeds. After measuring out the flaxseed, I took out the hibiscus leaves. I let it boil for like 2 to 3 minutes because you don't really need that long with hibiscus leaves. Then I added in my measured out flax seeds. I think in total I let it boil for 20 to 30 minutes. And after it's boiled for 20 to 30 minutes, you leave it to the side to cool down for a little bit, and then it should start to thicken up once you've cooled it down. So you'll see in the next clip that I've left it to cool and I've come back and it's thick now. And it's kind of like a slime kind of jelly consistency. This looks so disgusting, like it looks so bad. But yeah, I prepped a container with a stocking over it, and then I basically poured the mixture into the stocking. So then I used that bowl so I could strain out the gel. And yeah, when I was doing it, I was like, this looks nasty. Like the hibiscus made it look such a weird colour. It was very red and it looked like, you know what, I ain't even got to say it. Like, if you're a girl, you know what I'm talking about. But nonetheless, I know that hibiscus and flaxseed have loads of good benefits for your hair. So I was like, you know what, I'll just firm it. Even though it looks nasty, it's whatever. So once I finished straining it, I put it in my container. I think the gel only lasts for 3 to 4 days, so.
It's jelly, y'all. It's jelly.
It's jelly. So I'm going to start by re-wetting my hair. Okay, I did my oil in. Repot my hair again because obviously I've ruined the pot. I'm skeptical. I don't know if this will have as much hold as Eco Styler or like Extreme Wetline, because those are the two gels I use the most. So I'm skeptical whether this flaxseed will have as much hold as those gels, but let's see. So I'm just going to comb my hair into the position that I want it to go in. I saw grey hair, but it's not. I was about to get scared. Right, and then now, moment of truth, the gel. So this is what it came out looking like. It kind of looks like slime. It's got a consistency of slime, and it also looks like something else, but I won't say what it looks like. So here goes nothing. I'm scared. Quite hard to grip and put on your hair. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. To be honest, I usually use a lot of gel. Like when I'm using Eco Styler, I'm like grabbing a quarter of the tub every single time because obviously my hair's mad short, so I need quite a lot of gel to hold it in place. I just don't think this has the hold. This just doesn't have the hold to do what I need to do. Let's see. Ooh. But she popping though. And I also added some essential oils as well. So I added lavender essential oil and sweet orange essential oil as well, so that helps with it smelling better. So yeah, now now I'm gonna comb it in with my diamond brush, and we'll see what we can do. I actually forgot how much staining power hibiscus actually has. Like, this is mad. Oh girl. Oh, but this is a little cute situation right here. Like for the past few weeks I've been wearing wigs because I'm trying to like speed up the growing process, and I feel like if you wear a wig or put your hair in protective style and you don't see your hair, then you can see the growth better. So I've been wearing wigs, but so yeah, I'll slick down my hair usually and then throw in a wig on top. But this situation is looking like I might have to wear this out because this is a little cute situation. And it's added a little colour to my hair as well. I'm giving you Burgundy vibes. I'm giving you Burgundy realness. So I might have to just wear this little slick style outside because me look good. Me tell you, me look good. I'm actually such a beg. Like, I'm not even Jamaican. Let me stop. Let me not offend my Caribbean people out there because I'm actually not Caribbean. Like, let me not be a beg. But yeah, this is actually... No, this is actually doing something. Like, my hair hasn't looked this wavy in ages, man. Because obviously my hair's grown too long, so I can't like wear my wear my hair in waves anymore because my hair's just too long and the front of it will look weird. So like I'll literally have like a fringe of hair. I'll literally have a fringe of hair if I try and put my hair in waves. So I've kind of boycotted waves for now. But no, this is cute. This is a little situation. This is cute. This is a little... I've put too much on. So I think I'm gonna start the front of my hair a little bit, and then I'm gonna put my do-rag on and let it set. But nonetheless, oh god, oh god, this is crazy. My hair's not staying down. Oh my god. Okay, so I brush my hair as much as I can brush it, and usually to finish off my hair I'll put like some Got2b in my hair to like hold it a little bit more, to give my hair a little bit more hold, because obviously my hair's mad short, so it's gonna spring back up. Like you can see already, it's springing back up like crazy. But yeah, so I spray this on, then we're just gonna brush it back down a little bit. Okay, we're gonna brush it back down a little bit. So now we're gonna put on the do. We're gonna put on the do and let it set, let it dry, and see what's popping when I take it out. I don't know what accent that was, please ignore me, I'm just annoying. Okay. Do-rag's on. And I'll be back once my hair is dry. Let's see if this actually has the ability to hold my short hair down. Let's see, alright? Let's see if this flaxseed can live up to its expectations. Alright, I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm back. So let's take off the do-rag and see the final results and see if this flaxseed gel, it was actually strong enough to hold or slick down my hair. I'm skeptical. I don't think, because I can feel it. Some of it's not dry and I don't feel like my hair is like very sleek. It's set, but I don't feel like it's very sleek. I feel like it's very lumpy bumpy, but we'll see. Yeah. Jason. Oh wow. Wow. So obviously my hair's set in place. It's set in place. This is kind of cute. This is kind of a vibe. It's kind of cute. Yeah. I mean, my hair is like rock hard, and I don't know if, I mean, it's set, but I feel like I'd have to use it in conjunction with another gel. So maybe like next time I use it, I would put like so I'll put the flaxseed gel throughout my whole hair, and then like for the front I'll use like normal gel to set my edges and whatnot, because I mean I got edges but they're not really set like the way I like them to be set. But no, it's a good vibe. I like it. It's like rock solid, like literally you can hear the knock on the door. But yeah. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Remember to like, comment and subscribe, and I guess I'll see you in my next one.